Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Based CHAD token. Now this token is obviously on the Based chain. CHAD is a very popular meme. We got the CHAD, the Giga CHAD, all these different crypto tokens named after the CHAD meme. But now we have Based CHAD, and this token has been doing very well. We're going to go over the information on Based CHAD and how you can get this token in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box, and let's get into this token here. So you can find their Twitter right on the screen right here at BasedChad6969. Now they have the blue verified check mark. They just joined in March 2024, so that's how brand new this project is. They already have 50 tweets and 1,217 Twitter followers, so they're very active on their socials here. And you can see they also have a link right there to their Telegram, which is at BasedChad6969, and their webpage, basedchad.io. So their Telegram has 438 subscribers. You could preview the channel, but that's another great place to see updates regarding the CHAD token and learn more. So on their webpage, they do have how to buy, and they have a buy now button that will take you to Uniswap if you want to get the token. Now you could also find information regarding this token on different listing sites, like you can find it on DEX Tools and DEX Screener. On there, they're going to have the price of the token, the chart. On DEX Screener, you can find the websites, the pool information, the Twitter, the Telegram, all that type of stuff is on there. So right now, they have a $4.76 million market cap. That's how good this token's doing so far. They have $470,710 in liquidity on Uniswap v3. Now, they have 2,640 holders already. They have a total supply and a circulating supply of 69.42 billion tokens. So on Uniswap, they have 50.09 pooled ETH, which is equivalent to 4.36 billion pooled CHAD tokens. They have a DEX score of 71 out of 99, and they have a community trust score of 100% from 9 votes. And on DEX Tools, you can find, you can find a couple quick audits. So Go Plus Security, Token Sniffer, and Quick Intel Security did quick audits on this token, and there's no warnings on it whatsoever. It's just all good check marks. It says contract is verified, no honeypot, no buy or sell tax, so no taxes at all, no proxy contract, no mintable tokens, tax is not modifiable, cannot blacklist, cannot pause transfers, cannot retrieve ownership, no hidden owner, no max sell ratio, no whitelisting, no anti-whale. Like basically everything is all checked off. Keep in mind though that those are just quick audits. They are not full audits, and you should always, try to find full audits and KYCs and all that type of stuff before investing in anything. But yeah, on DEX Screener, you can find a little bit of different info. Like it says here, the pool was created 3 hours ago. That's how brand new this token is. So this pool was created 3 hours ago. They are up 39.68% in the past 24 hours. And yeah, so this is probably just a separate pool here. But yeah, so that's how brand new this token is. And we could actually find their very first tweet here too if you just scroll down and see when that was. A lot of their tweets came from, let's see, March 20th. So it's not that new. They probably created a couple other pools prior to this. They might have had a... But yeah, their very first tweet here was from March 19th. So that was just 4 days ago. So that's how brand new this project is. So all this stuff is just very fresh here. And their pin tweet, you can find the contract address and you can find their base scan. And their base scan here says... So basically this was created on base... Their base scan says 3 days, 18 hours ago. March 20th. So there you go. That's when the contract was created. And on their webpage, it says, Base Chad, you can't tell me anything is more based than putting the based meme of all time in the most based L2. And then it says, Chad, have you been to the gym yet? Why are you pushing buttons when you could be getting swole? Well, wait. It's time for a community of bullish alphas to drop some bullish memes and join this community here. And it has a link to their Telegram. Then it has a how to buy section. So basically it says create and fund a wallet. Get a wallet like a MetaMask wallet or a Coinbase wallet, which would be extra fitting. And transfer some ETH into it. Chads always keep their seed phrases safe. Then you bridge to base using bridge.base.org/deposit. Use that to bridge your ETH to base chain to the mainnet. And then go to Uniswap. And then using the contract address that you can find on their official webpage, basedchad.io, you trade your base for the base Chad token, and then you are in. Nice work. Join the community, and let's take this to the next level. Their roadmap says, wake up, Chad harder, repeat. And that is the only phase, phase 1. Just keep chatting harder. And it says, fair, stealth, locked for 69 years, 100%. Taxes are for plebs, so we have no taxes. And yeah, so all rights reserved to the base Chad. Check this project out. They have a buy now button right on their webpage if you want to check it out. But yeah, they're a very brand new project, trending. And go check it out. Let me know in the comments down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.